this video, I will show you how to pick up an order on DoorDash. So first of all, open up your app, and then from your home screen, you can just go ahead and select something that you want to order. So let's say you want to order a burger, then you click on burgers, for example, and then let's say we want to purchase a burger at Wendy's, then we're going to click on Wendy's, the one at the top. And from here, we can see that it is by default set to delivery. So you can see the delivery time in here. But if you want to pick up an order, you can just basically click on pick up. And then you will see that it is 3 minutes and then you will see that it takes 3 minutes to be ready for pickup. And you can see that the pricing and fees for this are 0, so no delivery costs. And you can also see the location where you can pick up this order, and that is determined on your nearby location. So just go ahead and put this to pickup, and now you can just order what you want, and then you can check out, and then you will be able to pick up your order at the address that is visible in here. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.